Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Tony and this is TC's Outdoors. And today we are going to go on a little field trip. The other day my father-in-law stopped by and told me there's a downed beech tree laying across the trail. So I'm going to go out. We've had some pretty cold temperatures recently, so the trail should be good and frozen so I can take the tractor out. We'll get out there and get it cut up. So here we go. All right. Changing plans, everybody. I am going to cut this ash tree up, if you can see it or not. Cut that ash tree up. I gotta get the saw started. I'm never going to get out there. Okay. And we got another one to cut. Alright guys, I'm out here, finally. Can't get the tractor all the way here, it's really wet in this little low area, so I'm going to do my best to cut this up, at least get the trail opened up. I'll carry a bunch to the carryall and then get on my way. So here we go. Okay, so I'll show you the log. There's what's left of the broken off beech tree that came down across the trail. You see the top of it there? It was laying across the trail. I couldn't quite get to it with the tractor. It's too wet right in that low spot right there. It's pretty muddy. I don't want to get stuck. I'm like a ways away from any kind of houses, so if I get stuck out here, I'm kind of out of luck. So unfortunately, the camera was not filming through the majority of this cutting up, so my phone was full. I had to delete a bunch of stuff, so I don't have any footage of me cutting it up, but it is cut up, so I'm in the process of lugging it over to the carryall so I can get a load out of here today. I thought I already had to record on once, and I didn't, so this has been a day full of oopsies, so sorry about that. I wish I'd have gotten more footage of cutting this up. I've got some of the footage from earlier where I cut up those ash trees that were across the trail. It took me a solid hour and a half to get out here, a lot longer than I planned on. It's about a 20-minute trip, then I had to stop and cut up 3 different trees. So either way, enough complaining. I'm going to get as much of this as I can into the carryall and head for home. So here we go. Alright guys, I'd like to thank you for watching. At the end of this, my mic died, so it was one of those days, if anything could go wrong, it definitely did. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like and subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.